After this video, you will not talk negative about yourself in your life. Consciously, you will become somebody who wants to improve your life. So this is a very personal story. And at that time, I never knew about conscious mind, subconscious mind, the power of your conscious mind, and all of those things. But this time, now actually, I was reading the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And this personal story, it came to my mind about how that happened. So to give you all the proper story, we have a relative, and they got a new they married the cousin brother I'm talking about married a girl, and she was very nice and all that. Her father, he used to constantly talk with my mother because they are relatives, right? So my mother is an astrologer, so they constantly talk. And one question which he kept asking was, will I have a long life? Will I die quickly? Will I die quickly? And based on that fear, based on that one fear, he did everything based on that fear, which means that he sold off his house. The fact that the marriage happened so early, that girl was only 20 when she got married, it was because of that fear of the father that he will die very soon. So every time he used to call my parent, he used to ask, can you check the horoscope and see, will I die quickly? Will something bad happen to me? What is my, but the fact was he also had an 80 plus old mother who was doing very well, and he was only 55 to 60 at that age. So slowly the relationship grew apart, and we moved out and things like that happened. And we started not talking much to that particular person. And one day we get a call from the relative, and they say that that particular person has died out of a heart attack. So this was a very big shock for all of us, because he is a very healthy man. He has age, he's only 55 to 60 years old, and there was nothing which was wrong with him. So at that time I did not understand, but when I was reading the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, right now I finally realized why that person has died so quickly. The fear which he had in his conscious mind, it made the subconscious accept the fact that something bad was going to happen to him, and that he was going to die very early in life. So I've already told you, like whenever you say you take a leave in your school, you say I have a fever, and then you took leave to the school, and when you go back to school you'll get that fever. Why? Because you believed in what you told, that I have fever. While writing the leave letter, I was having fever. You experience everything of having fever. So the next day you go to school, you get that fever really. So this is what happens. Your conscious mind and your subconscious mind are not two different minds. They are just two different sides of the same sphere. This is a ball. This is your conscious mind, and this is a subconscious mind. And let me tell you, your subconscious mind does not have the ability to differentiate between what is good, what is bad, what is right, what is not right. Your subconscious does not know any of that. Your subconscious is like a robot. Whatever you tell, it will do. If you tell positive, it will tell positive things. If you tell negative, it will tell negative. Okay, I have seen this one example where that man lost his life, and there's also one more example in that book. There was a man who had a daughter, and she was having a very incurable arthritis in her hands. So he kept saying, the father kept saying, I would lose my right hand to save my daughter. I would lose my right hand to save my daughter. He kept saying this. And one day, the family met with a car accident, and the father's right hand got ripped from the shoulder. And when he got admitted in the hospital, within the next 24 hours, his daughter's disease vanished. Let me repeat, his daughter's incurable, intreatable arthritis got vanished. So, the connection which he had made, him losing the arm and his daughter getting okay, the connection which he made subconsciously, it worked. So, After this video, at least I know that we all have negative thinking, we all have bad days, we all have terrible days. But after this video, after watching this video, whenever you get some negative thoughts, replace it with a positive thought. Replace it. Suppose I'm feeling, oh God, I'll never get the job. No, it's my negative thought. Right now I'm feeling down, but I will definitely get the job. Like that, if you keep counter, it's called as auto suggestion. Auto suggestion is just suggestion is, if I suggest my subscribers to subscribe to my channel, that's a suggestion. If you take the suggestion, it's good. Just like that, you have to give auto suggestion to your brain. Auto suggestion में क्या होता है? You tell your brain, you give it a suggestion, and your subconscious will catch upon it. So this is a very important video for you all, because your power of your subconscious mind is so much that we all are wasting everything. We are wasting, and more than wasting, we are negatively training the mind to it. So after this video, I hope nobody will talk negative things about yourself or about your family or about your current situation. And do subscribe the channel, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box and also in the channel banner. And I will see you all in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye.